Hey everyone, I'm here with another layout. Again, sorry for Reese. So this is my crocodile. That's what it's called. And I'm going to actually use my eyelets. Sorry, see, this is where she's such a pain. So I'm just doing the take, so I just work around her. And I'm like, how do I even use this thing again? Alright, so I'm back. Alright, so of course the background is basil cardstock, and that yellow floral layer is Hit Kit Club's Pretty Sweet from the March kit. I'm going to use this peach ledger type paper from Mickey Holmes Garden Party. Oh, sorry. And then this watercolor pattern is Heidi Swapp Carefree. At least you just have to deal with her paws in the way. Yeah, pain. Yeah, pain in the butt. Yeah. You think you rule this room? Oh, Reese. Alright, so this is the flower garden on the side of the house, in front of the house. As it was beginning to bloom and then in full bloom. Yeah. And my backyard, my back flower bed is doing really good too, so I'm going to take pictures now and then take pictures when it's also in full bloom. I haven't got any of the flowers planted but by private patio, but out my master, but okay, so anyway, so the die cuts are Simple Stories Bunnies Plus Blooms, and then the chipboard stickers were Maggie Holmes Garden Party. The hummingbird sticker is also Simple Stories Bunnies Plus Blooms, and then the title is American Crafts Garden Party Thickers. And I might title it God's Garden because it wasn't from Mother Nature, and I don't know, it just seemed like the perfect title for this layout because it's such a beautiful garden. I get lots of compliments on that one. And so I'm going to go with the bottom under the picture. However, I did like it to the side too, but that's going to be a journaling spot, I think. And then that's it. So when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching. Bye.